We repair sentimental value. We repair feelings. This is something that people are very emotionally attached to. This is their love. They grew up on stuffed animals, and this is where they come so we can fix them for them.
For generations, dolls and stuffed animals have brought people comfort, unconditional love, and incredible memories. But where do you take these loved items once they need a rescue? Well, you come to the Secaucus Doll and Teddy Bear Hospital, where Dr. Casas will breathe new life into them. Are you ready for this, Bear Bear? Let's go. Hey, I see the doctor is in. What's up, Doc?
I'm Ana Casas. I'm a doll doctor, and we are at Secaucus Doll and Teddy Bear Hospital. My husband Luis started this business in Bogota, Colombia. I'm the last one of the first generation.
How are
Nice to
you?
see you. Do
Good
you
to
have
see
an
you.
appointment?
Yes, I do. For Bear Bear, 10 a.m.
Okay, very good. So this young man is going to take care of you.
Okay, hey, how's it going?
I've been working here for 8 years now. It's been my first ever job, and as of right now, it still continues to be my first ever job.
Bear Bear has been around since over 30 years old. It's a Hurricane Katrina survivor and just near and dear and needs a little love.
I am noticing he's starting to disintegrate. Good thing is that we can definitely repair him for you. One thing we like to say here is no patient dies ever.
Nobody dies here.
All right, so before we take him in the back for a diagnostic, okay, I want to have you chill this out for me, okay? Just like at a regular hospital, when a doctor comes and notifies the loved ones, hey, this is what's going on with the patient, and this is what a type of care it needs, it can get very, very emotional. We're dealing with people's sentimental values here. Good morning, guys. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Very good, thank you.
We have a patient. Let me see. He's very, very sick. He needs to be clean, restocked. He needs to rely inside.
So Bear Bear's prognosis is that he's going to be in great care, in great hands, and he's going to be just fine, ready for more years to come.
These are all patients that are also have been checked in and are getting ready to be repaired.
That's correct. These patients on this side have been checked in, and these patients on this side are ready to go home. They're getting reunited with their families. We definitely seen patients from any kind of ages. We're talking about 250 years old, or it can be just something that just came out of the factory a couple weeks ago and has a small little tear.
So we checked in Bear Bear. What's our next?
The next step is I show it to Anna.
He's in a critical condition. He's starving. Oh, God. Okay, we can give him a very good treatment right here. He's in the right place. The stuff in the back says clean in and out, restart and rely. What is cleaning in and out? Cleaning in and out is to take all the stuff out, wash it by hand with a special detergent, dry it by fresh air, not in the machine, nothing on the machine.
Everything is done old school. We don't have no kind of technology, no form of machinery. We were able to keep this going and forever.
We rely inside with a special material, like a job I'm doing right here.
So this is kind of an idea of what's going to happen to
Inside.
Bear Bear. I got you.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. It's going to take around 1 month.
Good work takes a long time, but I love what you do, how you do it.
And we do it with a lot of love. Bear, when he came, he was very skinny. He was very starving. He gained weight here, and now he looks in a good shape.
Hey, Doc.
Hi, how are you? Nice to see you again.
Today's the day, right?
Yes. Open your eyes, please. Here you have.
Bear Bear, look at you. What you do is incredible. I mean, it's a family business. Your husband did this. You're carrying it on. the crew. I wish all hospitals were like this, you know? Just the energy, the love, you can feel it. Oh, bring it in.
Yes, don't cry, okay?
If you know people who are doing meaningful things with their hands, let us know in the comment section. Until next time, much love, my friends. All right, ready to go home? See you, Doc.
I see you.